The DaYan TengYun version 2 is an upgrade from its predecessor, the TengYun V1. The TengYun V1 was popular for its smoothness and quietness. Many cubers like to play with it in public because the sound that it makes is so low that it wouldn't be disturbing for others. This characteristic has carried down to the TengYun version 2 along with some new features. For instance, it has a magnet adjustment system and a dual tensioning system. These added features allow users to adjust the cube's feel and controllability the way they prefer. It is one of my favorite cubes due to the satisfaction I get when churning it. Right now, I'm gonna show you how I set up my TengYun version 2. Firstly, the outer part, which is for the spring compression, is set at 1.0. The greater the number, the more it compresses the spring. This means the cube will be more stable and controllable as the number goes on. As for the inner part, it adjusts the axis distance, also known as centerpiece travel, which means you can make the cube tighter or looser. The greater the number, the further the distance between the screw and core. In other words, it gets looser. I set it on 0.8 and the corner cutting works great. From my experience, I wouldn't recommend turning the screws with a screwdriver as the plastic could easily be damaged. Now onto the adjustable magnet feature. It has 3 options of magnetic strength. 1 is strong, 2 is medium, while 3 is weak. My setting is on number 2, but this is just personal preference, you can adjust it according to your liking. The TengYuns are pretty speedy, so they need thicker lubes to slow down. I lubed it with some Max Command. The Max Command is a high viscosity lubricant, so be aware of how much you apply. My lube recommendations are the Angstrom Gravitas, Max Command, and 50K. Last but not least, break-in. After a few hundred of solves, my TengYun V2 has become smoother and is pleasurable to turn. Hope you enjoyed this setup video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!